Part three, and some of you might ask why I even am putting all this out there, because over the years when I was looking at my mitochondrial fuel cell um, idea, when I first looked at it, there was nothing on it. When I look back into it, still nothing. When I did my third follow up, Protero was artificially engineering cyanobacteria to try to produce commercial products like salt and sugar, which could basically, they were claiming that they could replace entire acres of sugarcane with bacteria, which again showed half of my biofuel cells potential right there. And then Shelley Mintier of the Harvard Wise Institute, one of the pioneers on mitochondria and fuel biofuel cells, in my opinion. She's actually where I got my original calculation to see if my biofuel cell was feasible, which hopefully I'll be able to put up the video with my notes one day. But so she also proved the other side of my biofuel cell on my third follow-up check, like 4 to 6 years, somewhere probably in that range after I came up with the idea. I'll have to see if I can get the original data on my patent file too, or half finished, because it's still in there. But so they, at that point, I was like, shit, they're getting close. Like, they know that they can kind of do this, but. And then, of course, in my most recent follow-up, it is now, it's feasible. They're doing it. However, I think they're having a hard time ramping up production. I do not know if they've made this like change with the cyanobacteria or tried messing with the respiration side. But yeah, so my idea is kind of out there now. So why not just talk about it, right? So it's a little heartbreaking and sad that, the idea I was kind of ahead. But that's kind of the story of my life, is literally just being ahead. I watched where I grew up, Myrtle Beach, two different ideas. The Myrtle Beach Surf Park that is there now. I was supposed to have a meeting with the Myrtle Beach redevelopment director. That was part of a bigger project, something I called the Myrtle Beach Entertainment Park that I wanted to put over there. And he canceled my meeting. I also talked with my boss at the time, who was good friends with him, about the idea. They canceled my meeting, and sure as shit, that shit's there now. So it's just the story of my life, kind of being a little bit ahead, but not having the money or capital to back anything I do. And I've just grown up poor. Everyone I know is poor. And I don't have the education to provide a solid ethos behind me. But yeah, thanks for dropping in. Part 3.